This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the day 2 session of the 1 week faculty development program on machine learning algorithms, applications, and its advantages. Welcome to the session day 2. Today we have a great personality, a tremendous speaker with us, Dr. Ramgopal Kashyap sir, who is from Amity University, Chandigarh. Let me introduce Dr. Ramgopal Kashyap sir. Sir, welcome to the FDP sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, sir, I start the class,
Sir,
the session.
so let me introduce you, sir, to the participants. Dear participants, Dr. Ramgopal Kashyap sir has completed his PhD in the year 2017 in the area of computational medical imaging and image computing. And sir has published 4 book titles, 24 book chapters, and 2 books, and reviewed international journal articles and interest articles, national conference articles, and published many Scopus Index journals. And he is having 13 years of teaching experience and received more appreciations and awards from various organizations and various institutions. And sir has organized more workshops, FDPs, and he has invited for more innovative talks also. And SAR citation as Google Scholar as 302 and H index is 4 and scope 33. We are very fortunate to have here sir Ramgopal Kashyap sir. Sir, now I'll hand over the session to you. Please continue, sir.
Okay, thank you, Raghu, sir. So,
Thank
shall
you.
I start the session?
Yes, sir. You can start, sir. Thank you.
Yes, am I audible properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Ramgopal
Yes, sir.
Kashyap. Okay, so today I will take this session on the FDP. So, the future of machine learning towards data science. So, I'm starting from very beginning. So, what do you mean by machine learning? You all are aware. What is machine learning? Yes, what is machine learning? Machine learning, what do you mean by machine? You know what is machine? What is the definition of machine and learning? Okay, let me take an example. There are 2 examples, okay? I'm taking example of human, then I will explain machine. As a human, what we do, we learn from our experiences. I'm taking myself as a human, and human learns from experiences. Whatever happens, human learns from his experiences. Just like that, what is machine? So only difference between human and machine is human learns from experiences and machine follows instructions. So this is the major difference. But machine always follows instructions and it can perform better than the human. Okay. Now coming to time has changed. Now time has changed and machines are also changing. So time has changed and machines are also changing. Now what they are trying to do, what machines are trying to do, they are just trying to learn from experiences. They are also copying humans and they are learning from experiences. But in the case of machines, they cannot learn from experiences because they cannot breathe, they cannot take oxygens. Okay, they are machines and we are human beings. So human being can learn from experiences, but in place of experiences, machines takes past data. So what past data as a experience they take, machine takes past data and learn from past data. Today we will see what is past data. Okay, anything.
Weather data.
Learns from past data. Now coming to machine has started, and machine has started learning through past data. So machine learning comes in the picture. But is it correct? Machine always learns from experiences? Yes, machine always learns from experiences, and but in the place of experiences we are taking past data. So experiences, in the place of experiences we are considering machine learns from data. So this is the correct definition of machine learning. Now coming to some more definitions. Okay, so machine learns from past data and analyzes. Machine learns from, at the right hand side you can see, machine learns from past data and analyzes and takes decision and prediction. So based on these data machine analyzes and decide and predict what will be the temperature today and what will be the temperature next day. Okay, as you can take example of COVID-19, machine can predict according to past data. Okay, but it depends on the algorithm. Like, it depends on the algorithm and data. So we can, based on the data we can predict and we can decide. So one thing is clear, machine always learns from data. In machine learning, machine always learns from data. Now coming to the definition of machine learning. Machine learning provides an ability to the system. Machine learning provides an ability to the system. System may be anything. System may be any electronic system. It may be any mechanical system. It may be machine. It may be laptop. It may be mobile phone. It provides the ability to the system to learn automatically. It provides ability to the system to learn automatically. So with the help of machine learning, we are giving ability to the system so that it can learn automatically. And one more thing is there. I'm getting echo. Please mute. Everyone, please mute. Okay. So machine learning that provides an ability to the system to learn automatically and to improve from the experiences. And what experiences? Experiences data. So to improve from the data, based on the data we are providing an ability to the system so that machine can learn automatically, and with the help of this we can perform some tasks. So machine has started learning. Machine has started learning and based on the data. Now I'm taking a real-time example of machine learning. I'm not promoting any product, only for taking an example. Okay, this is a one product by Amazon. Okay, so this is Alexa. You all are aware. So I'm taking example of Alexa. How we can apply machine learning in this Alexa. So what is Alexa? Alexa is just like a personal assistant. You all are aware personal assistant helps you in many tasks, okay, in many official tasks. Just like that, Alexa is a virtual personal assistant, okay, with some electronic components, okay. So what is Alexa? Alexa is a cloud-based. Alexa is built in cloud. Cloud means we have to provide an internet connection to and some support, server support to this Alexa, okay, just like a Google, just like a Dropbox, okay. So this is just a speaker, Amazon Echo. It is a hands-free speaker and controlled with voice, okay. We can control with the help of voice. So this Alexa or Amazon Echo takes data and perform, okay, based on the machine learning. How it will perform we are taking an example. So where we can apply Alexa, you all are aware that we can apply Alexa, we can use Alexa for only listening the songs, but apart from this we can also get weather report. Apart from this you can also program Alexa for your house monitoring system. We will explain one by one. So I'm taking example of Alexa, how Alexa and machine learning are correlated. Okay, let me clear one thing, I am not promoting any product. Okay, I am taking only this for example. So here I am giving a command, Alexa, this is Dr. Ram. I am taking my example, this is Alexa is a command. Alexa is just a command for to start the process, just like a to start the Alexa. So by typing Alexa or by speaking Alexa, Alexa is ready. This is Dr. Ram. In my home many members may be there, they all are using this Alexa, but I am categorizing Alexa, okay, and I am specifying myself. I am Dr. Ram. So please, Alexa, obey the order of Dr. Ram. Okay. So Alexa is now clear. This is Dr. Ram, means I have to perform action of Dr. Ram. But after this, what I'm giving command, play some music for me. So here I have given three things. Alexa, this is just a waking command. This is Dr. Ram. I have given my identity so that Alexa can mentally prepare. This is Dr. Ram, and I have to open a folder and songs of Dr. Ram. Play some music for me. Okay. Now Alexa started working. Okay. But Alexa will search just like a Google. Alexa will search on the internet, but in the backend we cannot see it. Okay. It will search on the Google, and it will search on the any search engine, and it will search and it will display the songs. Okay, now I am giving a specific command, Alexa, this is Dr. Ram, play some romantic songs of Hindi film of Amir Khan. Yes, please see here, spelling is not correct. Here I have written Amir Khan. Okay, it's not a Amir Khan. Okay, so I am using machine learning techniques here. Okay, how Alexa will correct this? Okay, so I'm giving command, Alexa, this is Dr. Ram. Alexa is mentally prepared, play some romantic songs. Now Alexa is mentally prepared. Alexa has to play some romantic songs, but Alexa can play any romantic song from India, it may be from USA, it may be from UK. Okay, because Alexa is free. From Hindi film, I am categorizing Hindi film. So Alexa will play romantic songs from Hindi film of Amir Khan. Amir Khan is not correct. Okay, so Alexa will modify. How Alexa will modify, I will explain. Okay, so Amir Khan released in the year 2006. So here Alexa will play romantic song of Hindi film. So romantic song, Hindi film second, then Amir Khan, then 2006. Now Alexa is doing processing like this. Okay, so this is known as search engine refining. Okay, I have given command Amir Khan. Amir Khan, there is nobody in the Bollywood industry Amir Khan. Okay, it's Amir Khan. So you can see on the screen, did you mean Hindi film of Amir Khan? Yes. So Alexa is automatically doing this search engine refining. Okay, and it is correcting. Okay, otherwise Alexa can give you revert command, oh, I am not finding Amir Khan. So I may shout, yes, what Alexa you are doing, you are useless. So Alexa is doing search engine refining, so by using the machine learning technique. Okay, so this is the one example. Alexa, this is Dr. Ramgopal, play romantic songs of Hindi film of Amir Khan. Yes, this is now correct spelling of Amir Khan. Now Alexa is doing this on the back end. Okay, and it found two films released in the year 2006 and released in the India. First movie is Rang De Basanti and second is Fana. Okay, I'm taking only two examples. Okay, these are released in the year 2006. Okay, you cannot see these. Okay, but Alexa is processing. Okay, now I have given command romantic songs. Okay, now Alexa is again categorizing the movie. What is the category of movie? Rang De Basanti belongs to drama and Fana belongs to romantic as well as drama. So here what Alexa is doing, Alexa is selecting romantic movie. Okay, so Alexa is selecting Fana. I have given commands. Okay, now these are the songs of Randeep. Sorry, Fana movie. Okay, these are some songs. Okay, and some categories are also there. Okay, romantic, patriotic, rain songs, instrumentals. Okay, so these are the songs. Okay, but you're not able to see it. Alexa is processing using machine learning. Okay, now Alexa, which song Alexa will play? Before this command, I gave this command to Alexa. Before this, I played Mere Haath Mein Tera Haath song that belongs to a movie 20 times. So Alexa is keeping a record. So Dr. Ram played this song 20 times, and second song was Chand Se Faris. This belongs to also romantic category. But Dr. Ram played 9 times, and Dekho Na one song is there, and he played 4 times. Okay, so based on this data, based on these past data, what Alexa will do? Alexa will take highest number of played song, and Alexa will automatically play Mere Haath Mein Tera Haath Ho song. Only for example, I am taking this song. It's not my favorite song. Okay, so this is the example how Alexa is working, how Alexa is using past data and they are processing. Okay, so whenever I will give a command to Alexa, my Alexa is training. Okay, and according to that training, it is performing. Okay, now I am giving another command. Okay, now you can program Alexa. This is Dr. Ram. I am leaving home. I am leaving from home and going to market. So you can program Alexa guard. Alexa guard is there. Okay, so this is a guard. Alexa, this is a waking command. Dr. Ram means I have given my authentication. Identity I have given. I am leaving from home and going to market. Now, what Alexa will do? Alexa will start two sensors that we are mounted in the house. First is smoke detection sensors, and second one is glass door sensors. Okay, if anybody will open or break the glass, then Alexa will send a ring on my mobile phone, or any smoke is found, then Alexa will inform me. So like this, there is open forum. Okay, Alexa, you can program. Okay, you can code, you can design based on your requirement. You can train the Alexa, and Alexa will perform. But main thing is that past data is very important. Okay, now you can use Alexa for many purposes. You can use Alexa for playing music. You can get information, what is the score, how what is the weather condition, what is the temperature. Get control your smartphone with the help of Alexa. You can control your smartphone and many more. Okay, so it was only just an example by how machine learning is controlling, how machine learning is providing you information in a more smarter way. You can use Alexa or machine learning techniques for this. Okay, so there are many purposes you can use Alexa or machine learning techniques for. Now I'm taking another example. Okay, because I'm taking example of classification. How you can use machine learning, how you can use machine learning to classify animals. Okay, so on the picture you can see many animals are there. Elephants, tigers, giraffe, and some deers are also there. Okay, you want to classify manually, you can classify, but you want to write a program, and that algorithm will classify these animals. So that is a machine learning. Okay, you are writing a code, you are writing an algorithm that can classify these animals. Okay, now, so I have to perform task to perform with machine learning is classification. Okay, so machine learning, here machine learning will help you in classification. Okay, so machine learning will help you in everyone please mute your mic. So here what I am doing, I will use machine learning to classify. Okay, and how? Yes, so based on this picture I am preparing a animal data set. So here we are dealing with 4 types of animals. First, and yes, everyone please mute your mic. Everyone please mute your mic. Okay,
Participants are
so
requested
what
to
we are doing?
please mute your mic and off the video, please. Participants are requested to please mute your mic and video, please. If you on your video, the bandwidth issue will come.
Okay, sir. Okay, so based on this, what we are doing, we are preparing a data set. Okay, this is animal data set. Here on the picture, you can see four types of animals are there. Okay, first animal is tiger. Okay, so name of animal is tiger. Color, these are features. Here I am taking only features, two features, color and height, approximate height I am taking. Okay, you can take n number of features. Okay, so these features, these data will be provided to you, and based on this data you have to perform a classification task. So what I am doing, tiger color is yellow and I am using color yellow, and height is approximate 4 feet from the bottom. Okay, so 4 feet. Okay, so tiger's color, tiger color is yellow and height is 4 feet. Now I'm taking another data, elephants are available in color grayish black and height maybe 10 feet. Okay, it's an approximate data. Okay, you can collect different data. Okay, I'm taking only for example. Now giraffe is here, giraffe color is yellow and height is 19 feet. Okay, and now last data is deer, and deer's color is reddish brown and 5 feet. Now we will see, based on these data sets, how machine learning will perform, how machine learning will classify. Only we are providing this data and classify, and machine learning will perform the process. So here logic number one. Here logic number one, what we are doing, what we are providing color is equals to yellow. Only we are providing color because we have only two features, color and height. So first I am writing code for search animal whose color is yellow. So color is equals to yellow. I am giving command. Now machine what machine will do, machine will analyze the data sets and find the color who belongs to yellow category. So machine will found two animals belongs to this category, tiger and giraffe. Okay, so color is equals to yellow, I gave, and I found two types of animal. First is tiger and second one is giraffe. Okay, now again, this is first step of machine learning. Machine is automatically performing according to the data given, and command is logic for the machine learning is color is equals to yellow. Now yes, color not is equals to zero, not is equals to yellow. Yes, it will give deer, because deer we have considered as a brown color and elephant as a grayish black. Okay, so color yellow, it will show you tiger and giraffe, and when we talk about color not equal to zero, it will display elephant and a deer. So this is a classification. Now coming to another classification. Yes, so based on this data, what machine learning does is machine learning classifies these this picture, okay, into groups. Okay, now it's not a perfect classification. Now further classification is required. Then what we will do, we will apply second logic. We will provide height should be less than 6. Yes, color is equals to yellow. Good, we classified and we made two cluster. One is the cluster belongs to yellow color and one is cluster belongs to non-yellow colors. Okay, now I am giving machine learning logic number 2. Height should be less than 6. So height should be less than 6. Okay, here in yellow color I am applying height should be less than 6. Okay, so based on our data, height of tiger was 4 feet and giraffe was 19 feet. Okay, so height is less than 6, condition is true for tiger. So computer classified tiger and giraffe. Okay, and here what at the right hand side, what we gave logic number 2, height should be less than 6. Same command here we are giving, but it is applicable for non yellow color. So again, machine learning algorithm is classifying, okay, and it is finding that deer belongs to the height less than 5 category and elephant belongs to height less greater than 6 feet. Okay, so based on this, now you can see at the bottom, okay, this is your classification. Okay, this is your classification, and with the help of algorithm we are able to classify animals. So this is the beauty of animal. Now coming to another advantage, another application of machine learning. Okay, for example, I want to predict a house of a price of house. Okay, and I know I can purchase, I am purchasing a house, and that belongs that cost is 10 lakh rupees. Okay, yes, it's a 1 BHK house in a particular location. And I, in the same location, I purchased a house 3 BHK or 4 BHK, and that price is 50 lakh rupees. Okay, now I want to use machine learning technique. I want to use machine learning technique to predict the house price, because I am unaware of this area, and I'm new to your place and I'm not aware. And I have a data 1 BHK is available in 10 lakh rupees approximate in that particular location, and 4 BHK is available in 50 lakh rupees. So based on that algorithm, I can predict. So how I will predict? I have a data. What data I have? I have two data. First is I want to predict price. Okay, but I have a data 1 BHK 10 lakh rupees, for example, and 4 BHK 50 lakh rupees. Okay, based on this, okay, based on this, I have to predict a 2 BHK house price. So machine learning will help you in prediction. So using a linear regression, you can predict the price. Okay, so this is the 20 lakh rupees. If you want to purchase, that comes in between 4 BHK and 1 BHK, and I am plotting a graph, and I found price is 20 lakh rupees. So this machine learning is very important here, because so I'm taking example of machine learning in filtering. Okay, so here machine learning will help you in classification. So in your, you may be receive 1,000 mails in a day, but there are two folders. Okay, first folder is an inbox and second one is a spam. How Gmail or any mail is using this machine learning technique in filtering? So based on the features, based on the contents available, what machine learning is doing, it is preparing a sheet, and it is preparing a data sheet warnings. Some data, some mails with the warning, some mails with the malware, some mails with the free offer and lottery, and you won this. Okay, some contents are there, are some virus found messages are there, some exe extension attachments are there, some unknown format is there, some user is not known. So these are the category. Based on this category, what computer is doing, what machine learning is doing, machine learning is categorizing mail, a mail who contains these things, warnings, spam and virus, and a mail who not contains this. Okay, so a mail which is not containing these things, computer is keeping, our server is keeping inside the inbox, and those things computer is finding, our server is finding, just like a warning or virus, so it is keeping that inside the spam. So machine learning is very important here. Based on this, machine learning is classifying. Okay, now as you can see, as you experience this email e-commerce product recommendation system. Okay, for example, this, by using this concept, many online companies, many online websites are growing, and they are using this technique. Okay, recommendation for you. For example, I searched one laptop on the computer on the on e-commerce site. Okay, and it was a, for example, i3 was the configuration, and based on my search, my price range, computer prepares the data, and it gives it when I will search again, then it gives me some recommendation based on the features, based on the property. It is not showing me i7 classification, because my budget is not uh, for i7. Okay, so it is using category 25,000 to 31,000, because I searched this amount, and i3 I pressed. So again, based on this data, i3 was the feature, price was another feature, and company, you can take company HP or Dell, which laptop I searched many times. Okay, so based on this, they provide us recommendation system. Now I'm taking example based on this data. Amazon, I'm taking example real data. Amazon net value. Yes. So now okay. Now they use this data, and here you have a data from 2011 to 2018. What was the worth of this Amazon company in year 2011? It was 48.08. Okay. This is the data of from 2011 to 2018. Now you can see the growth by using the machine learning, how industries are going. Okay, it's a 232 billion dollar. If you compare, if I'm taking example, dollar is equals to 70 rupees, then you can calculate 16 comma this 16 lakhs 30,230 into this much amount Amazon earned from by using machine learning techniques. Okay, so this is example. You can use machine learning and you can create a machine recommendation system. So how machine learning is making a recommendation system used based on the past purchases, what I purchased, okay, item added to the cart, what item I added in the cart, okay, item I liked, and brand preference. Based on this searching, when I start searching, then based on these features, past purchase, what was my purchase? I purchased a shirt of rupees 2000. Then next time Amazon will recommend me a shirt in between 1800 rupees to 3000 rupees. For example, I purchased an object of rupees 50,000, then it will recommend me from 40,000 to 60,000. So this is the algorithm. Based on this data, computer has started. Now other applications of machine learning. With machine learning, you can implement face recognition system. You can use face recognition system. You can recognize voice using machine learning. You can also predict traffic jam information, in which locality you are getting a traffic. Okay, easy shopping you can do, as we see in Amazon. Best search engine refinement or search engine providing, Google is also using that. What we did in earlier example, in Alexa example, search engine refining that we were doing with the help of machine learning, it was correcting Amir Khan to Amir Khan. Okay, so these are the examples. Now pick and drop location, Uber has adopted pick and drop location. using machine learning, what is your peak location and what will be your drop location. Earlier in the first ride, my peak location was this and my drop location was that. So based on that data, Uber can maintain this data and predict. Okay, driverless cars are also using machine learning. Weather forecasting, you can predict weathers according to the according to machine learning algorithms and past data. So data science and machine learning both are correlated. Okay, we are using, what we are doing in machine learning, we are using the data, and this data, by processing this past data, we are predicting the price, we are predicting the weather condition, we are predicting sales prediction. Okay, so this is the very important, and future is very bright when we use machine learning with data science. Now coming to the main and deeper, I'm going inside the machine learning. So mainly there are three types of machine learnings. Okay, first one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised, and third one is reinforcement learning. Now I will explain what is supervised learning. So as you can see on the screen, supervised learning is just like there is a one guide, there is a one label, there is a one pattern, and based on output is clear and our method is clear, and input is there and output is there, and we are only building a method that is known as model. Okay, so input is clear and output is clear. Okay, so apple, we are training you, I will explain in the next example. Okay, apple is there, we are giving a training to the system. Apple, this is known as apple, this is known as apple, this is a apple, apple, apple. Now we are giving a command based on training, please predict the apple. Now I am taking example of unsupervised. In unsupervised learning, there is no certain output. Based on our experience, what we are doing, we are learning. So as you can see on the screen, Eklavya, he started learning by his own. So this is an example of unsupervised learning. And now coming to reinforcement learning. Now in reinforcement learning, this is based on the feedback. Here feedback is very important. If you are doing a good work, if you are doing a good work, then we give you reward, and if you are not doing a good work, then we are penalizing you. Just you can take an example, when you are driving a car, and if you are driving in a good path, okay, then we appreciate, yes, you are driving well, you are doing well. And if you are hitting someone, then we are penalizing you. Okay, so this comes under reinforcement learning. Now coming to supervised and unsupervised, what we do, we predict output in supervised learning, and in unsupervised we find hidden structure of the data. Now I'm taking example here. In supervised learning, what we are doing, we are taking example of mango. This structure belongs to this, structure belongs to mango, feature also belongs to mango. This is known data. First is known data and known output. Known output is label, we are providing label mango. This data we are providing a name, and name is mango. So we are giving a name to this object. So size of object, you may see this kind of object, you may see, and we are giving name mango, and based on these data we are building a model. Then after this, what we are doing in the third stage, we are giving a object, we are training the system, and if system is trained, then we are providing a single mango. Then computer is predicting, yes, this is mango. So this is the machine learning. Here supervised learning is there. We have given a data and we have given a name. Okay, we have given a sufficient training, and we, based on those training, we are taking some data, and we are asking to the system, yes, please see this icon, please see this object and tell me what is the name of this fruit. So computer is taking this as you can see in the level 3. Okay, computer is taking this object and giving you name as output. This is known as mango. Now coming to unsupervised learning. What unsupervised learning is, there are collection of fruits. Okay, mango is there, banana is there, apple is there. Okay, and what we are doing, we are randomly we are classifying, we are clustering, we are making a cluster. What we are doing, we are finding the features, same features we are searching, and based on the same features, same color, same property, we are making a group. So this is known as unsupervised learning. Here what we are doing, we are classifying object who belongs to same shape. Same shape belongs to mango, so we are picking mango, mango, mango. They are belong to same shape. Maybe color. Another feature is color. We collect mango of yellow color. Some greenish part is there. Okay, and for apple size maybe small, and color and structure and shape are the features. So based on features, you can take n number of features. One feature may be color, second feature may be shape, third feature may be size, fourth feature may be any fragrance, anything you can take, size, okay, diameter. Okay, so based on these features, we are making a cluster. This is known as unsupervised learning. Now coming to reinforcement learning, what we are doing here, we are randomly we are picking. We have given input mango to the model, and model responded, yes, this is apple. It's apple. But by this response of computer, we refuse this command, and we can penalize the system. Yes, you have given wrong answer, and you get 0 marks or negative marks. Okay, you can decide your negative marking system. Okay, you can decide your penalization system. But if then what computer is doing, computer is here, we are training, we are giving feedback. This is not a apple. So this feedback we gave to the model, and computer noted this. Yes, now next time when we will ask, yes, you can see in the level number 5, input we gave a mango, and model is trained now, and it is giving a command mango, just like a boy. What is this? Boy is saying this is mango. We are saying this is not a mango. Yes, this is apple, or this is a banana. Okay, so we are giving a command to and we are appreciating. Yes, if our child is able to answer based on the data, we are providing a data, and by observing that data, child is responding, this is a mango. If answer is correct, then okay, and if answer is incorrect, then we will give a feedback to the system. Please upgrade your system, and you are not performing well, and this is a new upgrade. This comes under the mango. So this is a new definition of mango. So this was the definition of machine learning. Okay, now coming to applications, there are many applications of machine learning. So here I am explaining you top 10 applications of machine learning. So with the help of machine learning, you can analyze traffic nearby. Okay, Google Maps are using this machine learning technique to identify traffics nearby. What is the how much traffic we have in our nearby surrounding. Okay, now what kind of machine learning they are applying? They are using some app. They are using a number of vehicles on that road, and by counting number of vehicles in a particular time, they are giving you response. This line is in this way you have a heavy traffic, and in this way you have a light traffic. Now another application of machine learning, Facebook is using for a face identification system. Here, how whenever you post a photograph, then Facebook automatically tag your friend and give suggestion, this is your friend. Okay, so based how Facebook suggests, based on face detection algorithm, Facebook is detecting and recognizing. Okay, and deep face, computer is using deep face. Okay, Facebook is using algorithm deep face. Okay, and based on this training, based on this face recognition training, it is recommending this is your friend, your face is here, you were there. Okay, so this is another application. Now Uber has started Uber Eats. Okay, Zomato is also there, and many number of applications are there. What they are doing, they are personalizing, and time of arrival you can predict according to distance, how much distance is there, traffic, how much distance is there, how much traffic is there. Based on that, what Uber is predicting, Uber is predicting the time of arrival, how much time it will take. And Zomato is also using this. Okay, many online delivery systems are using this. Okay, so they are using machine learning techniques. Now as we discussed about Amazon ad recommendation system, whenever first if I am searching any t-shirt on the Amazon, okay, and it is keeping the record, Dr. Ram search or t-shirt. Then whenever I will log in next time and I will search, then computer will recommend me some t-shirts. Okay, and if I will select one t-shirt that belongs to yellow color, then again next time it will show me t-shirts with yellow colors or any brand. For example, I search a particular brand, then it will try to give me recommendation system of that particular brand. So this is the role of data science. They are using the old systems, and Amazon and many e-commerce companies now during the this period, okay, in last 2 months, you can see they have increased their net worth many times, okay, because they are based on this machine learning. And every industry is going down, but they are growing up. So they are using machine learning techniques, okay. They are recommending, they are referring. Now this is Apple iPhone. Many iPhones are using this smartphone with face recognition system, fingerprint recognition system. So they are using the for face detection, for fingerprint identification. What they are doing, they are using machine learning algorithms. So now Tesla, you all have heard about Tesla. Tesla has started automatic car. They can change color, AI based, AI driven car. So they are using machine learning techniques. Many company has started driverless cars. Tesla has also started. Okay, so they, based on their feedback, based on camera input, they are taking decision. So they are using data science and machine learning. Now you all are using Netflix right nowadays. Okay, so Netflix recommendation system, for example, I searched movie Dangal. For example, movie Dangal I searched. Next time it will recommend movie of Amir Khan. It may recommend movie of Amir Khan who belongs to drama category or this category of movie. Okay, our same rating I received. Okay, our many movies received same rating. So these are the some applications. Okay, so Netflix, what they are doing, they are preparing a list of movies according to features, according to ratings. Okay, for example, superstar hit movies, okay, that received the 4-star rating. So if I like 4-star rated movie, then next time it may recommend another movie that belong to another actor, and that belong to another actor, and rating is 4-star. Okay, now another application is this is a Mole robotic safe. You all are aware. Okay, this is robotic safe developed by a company, and that is preparing a food, that is preparing a meal for you. Okay, based on the machine learning algorithm. So it's a very important. So there are many applications everywhere you can apply machine learnings. Everywhere you can apply machine learnings. Okay, now Google Translate, how much Google Translate works. It takes a data and it converts one language to another language based on that feature. It automatically give you meaning. It automatically translates. If you are writing in English and English to Telugu you want to convert, then Google can convert. Any translator can convert based on this. What WHA, this is known as kya. In Hindi we say this is kya. So it is again, whenever you type WHA, then in the place of WHA it is writing kya. Okay, so these are the some algorithms. Okay, with the help of machine learning you can program. Okay, one more important application is KUKA. KUKA is just an automatic robot that is playing that is playing with human. Okay, so you can design your own machine learning models by using this. You can use KUKA in industry. Okay, KUKA is a German manufacturer industry. Okay, this is giving you robots, okay, and solutions. Okay, so there are n number of applications. Now you can see on the screen many applications are there. So am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Industry, in retail, in healthcare, in travel, hospitality, financial support system, energy, everywhere you can use. Now we are changing. Machine learning and data science has changed the meaning, because it is they are making your life easier. Now everywhere we are using machine learning and data science in Google, Amazon, every every company. Oh, I'm getting some echo. Yes, everyone, please mute your mic. Everyone, you all are requested to mute your mic. Oh, so there are a list of companies, they are using machine learning, they are using machine learning and data science. Okay, so many companies are using, okay, and they are utilizing the features of machine learning and data science. Now you can see example, this is a cutting from newspaper Hindustan Times. IIT placement begins, Uber to offer 1.04 crore. So how they are offering? Because of knowledge they are having in data science and machine learning. If our students and faculty members are trained in this technology, data science and machine learning, they can they can make a skill, they can utilize those things in real-time applications. Microsoft has given this offer. Now coming to, this is all about machine learning. Now coming to, what is the future of machine learning in data science? So what is data? You all are faculty members, research scholars, you all are aware what is data. But I'm giving a definition. I'm data, whatever we can represent in the form of fact, any data, anything. Okay, for example, your mark sheet, your marks on the mark sheet, that may be a data. Okay, but what is the information? What was your percentage in 10th standard? That is your information.
Sir. Hello. Not audible. Hello.
Your voice is not audible.
Kindly off your videos, please.
Okay, so what is data? So data on the mark sheet, whatever data you have, whatever mark is data, but information is your percentage. How much percentage you scored? What is your grading? What was your CGPA? Okay. Now coming to new definition, data is a tool for making money. If I'm saying data is a tool for making money, it's not a wrong definition, because what Amazon is doing, what Facebook is doing, they are using data, they are using the number of users, and based on that data they're promoting, they're making market, they're making money. Okay, they're advertising others product. Okay, so data is a tool for making money. Now I am taking example Facebook. So they using data. They, in year 2004, there were only 1 million users in the Facebook, as and now you can see more than 7.5 billion. Okay, now there are more than 7.5 billion users are connected. Sorry, in the total population of this world population, 2 billion 2 billion population is there. Okay, so now you can see 1/3 of the world population is using Facebook. So this is the power of data. Based on that, they Facebook or many companies like that, they increase net worth. Now calculate the net worth of this Facebook company as per record, as per data provided by the agencies. 68.2 billion was the data. $1 billion was the net worth. Okay, if I'm taking 1 billion is equals to 100 crores, now you can compare in crore, in rupees, how much net worth is having Facebook. Okay, and it is only a 20 years old company. Now you can take example of many companies, they are 100 years old and their market value is only 700 crore rupees or 800 crore rupees. Okay, so this is the power of data. They are using data, and based on data, what they are doing, they are making a business. Now you can take example in the year 2004 or in year 2008, Amazon market value was 3.9 billion. Now there is 4,000% hike in the market value. Okay, now you can see 4,000% hike. Clear? So there is a more hike. Okay, clear? Are you getting? So data, if I am saying data is money, it's a correct. Data is knowledge, it's also correct. and data is power, then it's also correct. Okay, but only you are having a data that is money. No, only you are having a data that is not money. In my mobile list, for example, 10,000 contact lists are there, so I am a rich person. No, it's not correct. If I have downloaded 10,000 books in my mobile phone, in my laptop, so data is knowledge. No, data is not knowledge. Only by downloading the data, only by downloading the books, I may not be knowledgeable. Data may not be power. Yes. So no, only data, only by storing the data, you cannot say data is power, data is money. So what will be the new definition? Only analyze data. Only after analysis of data, your money is money, your data is money, your data is knowledge. Only you are reading, you are storing data, 10 books, 10,000 books in your laptop. Only by analyzing, only by reading those books, you can achieve knowledge. You can process only by analyzing data. That's why data science come in the picture. What we do in data science, we analyze the data and we give some meaningful insights, so that our machine learning algorithm and data science algorithm may help us to make a good decision and predict something. Okay, so data, anything we collect, that is data. Or anything, any raw fact, figures, anything we are collecting, that is data. Okay, now I am taking example. It may be text, whatever you are typing. You all are aware about Telugu, you are aware about German, Spanish. Okay, anything you are writing. Okay, any symbol, any Chinese symbol, any Japanese symbol, any alphabet in Hindi or English. Okay, that is data. Text comes under data. Any number you are typing, any number. For example, I am typing number between 0 to 9, in combination between 0 to 9, that is also known as data. My photograph, image, that is also considered as a data. If I am taking an image as a data, Facebook, what Facebook, WhatsApp are doing, they are using images as a data. Okay, what Instagram is doing, they are taking image as a data, image as a data. Now audio, yes, what about audio? Audio means there are so many songs, audio websites are there, Ghana.com, for example. Okay, they are using their your audio songs. Okay, and they are making a business. Okay, so this is data. Now coming to YouTube, Netflix. Okay, what they are doing, they are giving a new definition, they are using a video. So this is a new definition of data. Text, number, image, audio, text, anything you are having, that is a data. So we have to analyze data. So data is a raw facts. Okay, raw facts. It may be in organized form. Okay, unorganized facts may be there. Okay, any useless thing may be there in the data. Okay, anything, your photo may be data. Your friends may be data in Facebook. Your tweet may be data. Your share may be data. You are following, that may be data. Your blog, your news, your like, everything is data. How many likes you have? For example, 300. So it's a data. Okay, so our definition: machine follows instruction and machine has started learning. So machine are using the data. And now coming to data science. What is science? So science, coming to you all are aware about science. Science is an organized way of studying the things and finding answer to those questions. Okay, so we are applying science here with the data, and we will find some result. So here we apply some science to find the answer of the question. So what will the temperature tomorrow? I will apply this science. Some algorithm will be there. I apply some algorithm on the data. Past data is there, and based on those data, what I will do, I will predict the future. Okay, tomorrow weather condition may be this, based on this. Okay, this may be growth. Today your earning is this, and tomorrow your earning may be this. Okay, yes, based on your observation, based on question, based on hypothesis. These are the based on experiments. These all are science. In the science, many things you can do. You can draw conclusion, you can test hypothesis, you can experiment, you can do some analysis, you can questionnaire. Okay, so you can apply all those things, all sciences on the data, and you can make a model, or you can give some meaning. Okay, so this is all about so this is all about data science. Okay, so data science is a deep study, okay, so, where we consider amount of data and which involves extracting meaningful insights from the data. What we do based on this science, we extract meaningful insights from the data, and we process those data using scientific method, different methodology we can use, and algorithms. So based on these data, we are giving us some meaningful insight. So we are giving data as an analysis tool, and we are getting some fruitful insights. So as you can see on the screen, we are providing data. So data is a money. If I am saying, hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I'm
Sir, yes,
Thank you so
sir.
much. So what I'm doing, I'm giving data, and I'm utilizing those data, and data with the help of those data, I'm and then and they're making money. So this is very important. They process the data. So data is a very important tool. Those who are having a data, they are richer person. Now those who are having a data, you can see the example Facebook, Amazon, okay, they before 20 years their existence were not there, okay, and many companies were there, but based on data they have increased their market and net worth. So data science. So what is data science? Data science is a science in which what we do, ask the correct question and analyze the data, model the data, visualize the data, understand the data. So here, data science, we understand the data, we analyze data, we model data, we visualize data, and we give some meaningful insights. So here we are using past data. Past data we are using, we are giving this data to machine, and machine is using algorithms, and based on those algorithms we are analyzing the data. But in data science it is not as easier as you can see on the screen. In data there may be some error, some missing value will be there, okay, some missing values are there. So some machine values are there. So these are the some steps we perform. So we take data, we store data, we analyze data, we perform decision making, we predict. So there are many steps are there. So every steps are important. We take data, we clean data, just like a vegetables. We clean the data. If data is cleaned, then we process, we cut vegetables, then we prepare our vegetable. We put some some salts on some chili. Okay, so these are very important. This is very important when we talk about data science. So now you can compare data analyst. Data analyst tool is very important, and if you are having a good knowledge of data analysis, then now you can compare the salary. Okay, it's a standard. Now a normal graduate can get how much salary, and data scientist can get how much salary. But number of lines, if a normal graduate is writing a program and he's writing a code of 300 lines, and same task data scientist is doing, and what data scientist is doing, data scientist is writing only 40 lines of code in the place of 300 lines, and he or she is getting more. So this is the beauty of data science. Now data scientist salary you can compare. Okay, I have taken this from the standard site. Okay, so there is a huge hike in data scientist profile. So you can compare data scientist average salary in India. Its average salary is 8 lakh 18,000. So you can take why this industry is growing. Okay, now if you want to grow, if you want to compare it, this is data because of COVID. What is the reaction, I don't know, but this is a data before the COVID-19. Okay, so you can see full-time annual salary in USA. Yes, data scientist salary in USA 1,10,000 per annum salary they are getting in dollars, in Israel, in Canada, in UK. So many scopes are there, market is growing, and many data scientist position is there. But only one thing is required: we have to explore knowledge. Now coming to data science. In data science we need data engineering, domain expertise, statistics we need, visualization we need, advanced computing, we want. So this is a combination of data science. For data science, job is you have a knowledge of data science, your field, domain knowledge, data engineering, advanced computing means some algorithm knowledge you should have, visualization techniques you should know so that you can visualize, and some statistical data you should present, some tools you should learn. Okay. Now, why learn data science? Why we should learn data science? Okay, it is a fuel of 21st century. If I am saying it is a fuel of 21st century, I'm not wrong. Okay, it gives you solution for the many problems. Okay, and lucrative career options are there. Data science is changing the world. Data science is the future. Okay, so there are many
What is the
options.
prerequisite knowledge student should possess for MCA? Suppose if a student is from second year MCA or third year MCA.
Okay, yes. So if you are new, then you should learn at least one tool. If you are having a knowledge of any programming language, then one tool you should learn. For example, you should learn programming language Python or R or SAS. Okay. In today's session, I will explain features of these languages, and if you are aware about any one programming language, then you can implement step by step each and everything. For example, you are using Python. By using Python, you can implement machine learning. You can implement data science. So only one thing. I'm not promoting here. I'm not promoting any particular programming language. Many options are there. According to your interest, you can pick any programming language and start coding. Start coding. Okay. But
in the syllabus already they have already have Python programming. Actually, my name is Professor Kalyani. I'm speaking from Pune under SPPU University.
Yes, thank you,
I work in MCA department.
Yes,
very informative session you are carrying on. The only thing is we are already aware of all these theoretical part. The only thing which I expect in every of the session is how would you take these all into a practical hands-on and try to get try to develop a small module as such or program wherein we can collect the data that how do you dig deep into the analysis part of this using data science or machine learning algorithms.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I will give this input to organizing committee, ma'am. Sure, they will do, ma'am, this. Okay. And for today, I will share some coding examples also, ma'am. And for implementation part, it's a very interesting. In next session, in other sessions, we can also conduct some practical sessions, and hands-on session should be there. So we can conduct
because sir all this theoretical part is the theoretical part is already we have learned we have listened many times. We are all aware about all these application areas, all this machine learning types, this structured, unstructured, semi-structured, regression algorithms, everything. So Python is also familiar that nowadays everybody are writing some script in Python.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I will give this your comment, your suggestion to organizing committee, ma'am, and they will take care of this in the next sessions, ma'am.
Are you going to cover anything right now in this session till the end of this day?
Yes, ma'am. Some programming parts are there, ma'am. But due to limitations of this Jupyter and online, so in this session only some limited parts are there. So we will cover only some
using Google also you can go and type that .jpy file we can download. Yes, we can type over there also.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. After this session, ma'am, we will take care, ma'am, and we will inform this to our organizing committee, and then they will conduct some practical session also, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I think there is a mix of people who are novice, who are experienced. So please bear.
Okay. So yes, that we are keeping in the mind, and we started from the beginning. Okay. So and I'm just moving to the coding part then. So these are the applications. Now coming to, as ma'am was asking, so these are the tools, R programming language, SS and Python. So which tool should I learn? This question come in the mind many times. What? So here, these are the main important tools. Okay, R, SAS, and Python. As you can see on the screen, SAS is a tool, and based on the availability, how much marks it is getting out of 5, it is getting 3 marks. Okay, and based on the availability, R is free, so you are getting 5, and Python, it's open source, so 5. Okay, ease of learning 4.5, 2.5. Many times this question is asked by many people, which language should we prefer, SAS or R for Python? So based on your requirement, you should pick any one, and total marks is there. Data handling capability is 4 in every programming languages, either it is a SAS or R or Python. Graphical capability is less, it is 3 in SAS. It is a high in R, it is 4.5. It is 4.5 in Python. And some job scenario is there, 4.5 in R and Python. So you can choose deep learning support. Yes, it's a very important. Everyone is using, migrating from machine learning to deep learning, and if they are using SS, that can do. But you can see the second last row, they are getting 2 marks. SS getting 2 marks in deep learning support, and R is getting 3, and Python is good. So overall marks is there 34 marks. Python is getting. So you can prefer Python or R or SS. I'm not promoting any programming language. According to your use, according to your requirement, you can use. So reason behind increasing demand of Python, because it is supporting data science, it is supporting machine learning, huge communities there, web development, simplicity, salary, libraries, many libraries are there, many frameworks are there, multi-purpose is another feature of Python. Yes, now coming to the Python. It is a portable, it is easy, graphical user interface programming is there, object oriented, it is object oriented programming, it is interpreted, large libraries are there, and one more important thing, free and open source. Now coming to Python. So some coding, I want to demonstrate some small codes in this platform, and some how this is working. Okay, so what do you mean by interpreted? I am mentioning because basic concept should be clear. Here, if I am saying Python is interpreted or compiled language, so what it is interpreted, we perform line by line. Okay, so here I am explaining with the help of example. For example, I am writing a code in C++. I am taking example of C++. There are two types of translators. So hash include iostream.h, std.h, conio.h you can write, and the compiler is converting this code into 0 into 1. So whole program computer is doing, compiler is converting at a time. So this is the role of translator. But in the case of interpreter, what we do, we do line by line. Okay, for every character there is a some binary code is there. If I'm writing A, then what compiler is doing, compiler is putting binary code in the place of A, in the place of B, in the place of C, as you can see on the screen. So computer is trying to convert all those things so that computer can understand. So we are getting this. Now when we talk about interpreter converts same thing, but only line by line. It converts only one line at a time. So Python is an interpreted language, then compile. Now coming to Python source code. Yes, this is a structure. Here we are dealing with source code, then we are compiling, then interpreter is converting the byte code, and that byte code we can give to the virtual machines, and virtual machines can also make library modules. Okay, and we can run the program. So this is the internal working of the Python code. So Python is machine dependent or not? Machine dependent means if you are running same code on the any operating system, any machine, it may be laptop, it may be mobile, it may be any operating system. Okay, so you can run or not. So many high level languages are there, Java, Fortran, Python, C++. Okay, for example, I am demonstrating a code for ATM. Here, this is a code for ATM. So we want to withdraw the money, and I am writing the code for code in any high level language. For example, x is equals to 100, x is equals to, for example, money. If balance is less than that amount, then less than means, for example, in my account there is 5,000 rupees, and I'm typing amount is equals to, I'm going to ATM machine and I'm typing 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees is greater than 5,000 rupees, then it will print insufficient balance. Otherwise it will process and it will give you money and give you message, print, please take your money. So this is normal high level code. And yes, here we can write same code on the one machine and same code on the same another machine. Okay, clear? So here we are writing same code in one machine and same code. And what we are trying to do, yes, here two machines are there, two machines, one is a different machine and one is another machine. Okay, here one code, same code we are trying to copy into another machine, same code we are trying to copy, and we are trying to run on the machine. And if that machine is able to run the code, okay, then it is known as machine independent code. So here you are not convert, you cannot convert Linux program written in the Linux operating system in the Windows. You cannot run a program written in the Apple in Windows. You cannot run program written in Windows into Apple. So machine independent. Okay, so this is a machine independent. If a machine, there is no foundation, if you can run same code in different machine, then it is known as machine independent. Okay, so Python is easy. You can write each and every code very in a simple manner. Whatever you, in C language, what we do is we write hash include stdio.h main, and inside curly braces we write printf hello world. In C++ there is a minor change. In the place of stdio we are writing iostream and we are doing, yes, in Java this is a structure. Okay, so we are writing 4 to 5 lines of code for in each language. But now see why we are saying Python is easy, because in Python what we are doing, we are only writing one line of code. In Java you see there are 5 lines for printing only simple hello world. Okay, as you see on the screen, 5 lines I have written in Java for simple writing a hello. In C++ you can also see 5 lines or 6 lines codes are there. In C also 5 to 6 lines codes are there. So in Python, why we are saying it is easy, because only one line code is sufficient to write. Okay, so we are starting with Python, because many of you are aware and many of you are new. So how to install Python? So what I am doing, I'm opening a Google search engine, www.google.com, and inside this you can use any ID. You can directly download Python. Okay, just type Python download. Okay, you can download. But I'm typing Anaconda Python download, as you can see on the screen. So Anaconda is a package, it's a framework. Okay, so by typing this you can find this kind of link. You can click on the first link. You all are getting I think a screen. Okay, there are two versions. Okay, first one is Python 3.7 version and second one is Python 2.7 version. Okay, so you can download Python 3.7 version because it is a new version. Okay, and it is containing more libraries than 2.7. So please select on Python 3.7. Now after this, installing, you can install this for Windows. Okay, so you may get option for Windows and for iOS, different operating systems. Okay, so please choose installation for Windows. If you are referring Windows, download Anaconda installer. Okay, these are the steps you can do. After this you have to agree license agreement. I agree. Then there is a path. Okay, Anaconda 3. Yes, remember one thing, please mark here advanced option. You may see advanced options, so please click on add Anaconda to my path. First check box you should click. Okay, if you will not click this now, then it may create manually. You have to do for every program. So please take care of this, okay? During installation, inside and the advanced option, please check add Anaconda to my path environment. So it will permanently set your path environment. Then next you have to click. After this you have to click next, and by agreeing many options, you can go to finish installation. So by agreeing, so everyone please I'm getting a noise. Everyone please. Okay, so after processing, you may get installed Anaconda installed on your screen, on your system. Then after that, you can, yes, on the search on the Windows menu, you can find this Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator you will find. Then when you click on this, then you may find n number of applications that you already installed by using this. So Jupyter Notebook is there, Qt console is there, Spider is there. So please click on Jupyter. Okay, so go for Jupyter. If you want to go for R, then you can go. Okay, so when you click on Jupyter, then you will find a screen like this, editor like this. Okay, and this editor will open, and here you can write simple command. In C++, what we do, we declare two variables. For example, if I want to perform an addition of three numbers, then what I have to do, I have to declare three variables. First variable integer, type of data type is integer, then comma a, comma b, comma c. Three variables I have to choose. Then after that, in first variable I have to store two value in a, and in b I have to store 3. Then after that I will perform the operation. But here what I am performing, I am only writing 2 plus 3. Nothing is required, only no data type is you have to give. Okay, only you are writing 2 plus 3 and you are getting answer. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 you are getting. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 you are getting by simply using the command. Now another example from sci pi import sign. Okay, so by using only two lines, okay, by using import sci pi is a package, okay, library. Okay, you're importing sign and you're only writing sign 90. You're getting value of sign 90, okay, in a numeric value. Okay, for example. So this is the only, whatever you want, you simply write on the screen. So install Python in install Python in Android mobile phone also. You can also install this. Okay, you have to just go to Google Play Store, and where you can find many Python editors. Okay, and you can do programming in your mobile phone also. Okay, for example, QPython is there, Python 3 is there. Okay, so all are similar. You can use anything. Okay, you can install anything. Okay, so for example, if you are, I'm not promoting any product, I'm only for taking example. QPython is there. Okay, for example, you can install this and you can do whatever you want to do. So some programming part I want to cover, only basic things. Okay, how we can declare a variable. So here if you want to declare a variable in n, so here only you have to write n is equals to 300. So by writing n is equals to 300, here you have declared a variable n, and type of variable is integer because you are storing value 300, and 300 belongs to integer category. So by writing simple line n is equals to 300, you are informing the compiler that this belongs to integer kind of variable. So this variable belongs to integer kind of variable. Everyone please mute your mic. Everyone, I'm getting some echo. So here, the beauty of Python programming, you can see here I'm writing only n is equals to 300, and by this n is equals to 300, compiler is getting four types of information. What is the type of data? The type of data is integer. In other programming languages, you have to specify the type of data, integer, character, float, or double, or any data type may be there. Okay, and if you want to print a value, what you type, just write print and n. Just write print and you will get the print value what is inside this and variable. So this is the beauty of Python language. Okay, if I am taking another example, n is equals to 1000 and one I want to print the value of 1000, then you can easily print. There are two ways, either by print and or by simply writing a and you can get value. So these are the programming part of this. Okay, now other example, a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 300. Now Python, you can use print a comma b comma c and you can get printed 300 comma 300 300 300. So these are the programmings. It's a very easy, you can learn by just following a one tutorial on the internet. Just open a one tutorial and line by line type each and everything and you may get a good results. Variable is equals to 23.5. So here what we are doing, we are declaring a variable and variable type is a float. How I can say this is a float? Because according to value, what I am storing inside this empty box is a variable and I am storing 23.5 and it belongs to floating value because it is containing a point value. So it will automatically print variable type as a float. Okay, variable, if I am storing as a string, you can also store a string inside this variable. Value you are storing, for example 23.5 you are storing, you can also store now I am a string, your name you can store. For example, Ramgopal Kashyap I want to write, I can write inside double quote and print where is a variable. You can take any variable and I am getting a output. Now I am a string. So this is the beauty of programming Python. So here n is equals to 300, variable assignment according to type, according to value, whatever type you are taking inside this variable. Based on that, you can define the type. Name is equals to, for example, Bob. Okay, for example, you are storing name is equals to Bob, age equals to 54, and has w2 is equals to true. Okay, has w2 is a value variable, true is a boolean value. Okay, so if you want to print, just print name, you can write variable name comma age comma has w2. Okay, so here type of variable name is a string, age is an integer, and has w2 is a true or false boolean kind of value. So it is showing you value Bob, 54 and true. So inside a one print statement you can demonstrate. Now coming to other part of this Python programming, if statement, because in data science basic concept should be clear, then you can explore more. If a variable is clear, then statements are clear, if else are clear, then you can explore more algorithm. These are basic things. Then after that only you have to import the commands and line by line you can follow any book or any online sources. So here you can take example of if statement. If I want to use a conditional statement inside Python, so what I am doing, I am writing if, then inside this expression is there, then colon, then statement. So expression, here I can write any value. For example, here you can see x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 20. If x is less than y, I'm passing expression here. So if x is less than y, if this condition is true, if this condition is true, that then only this statement will print x is less than y. Okay, are you getting? Now, because it is considering this as a true, here expression is expression evaluated in binary and it always takes value as a true. If this condition is true, then only it will print this, otherwise it will go to else part. So I'm taking value of x as a 10, value of y is equals to 20, 10 is less than 20. Yes, condition is true, then x is less than y. Yes, good. So this is the code for if statement. Now program with the else statement also. If there are two options, then how you can program? Because in data science your aim is big, you want to learn machine learning, you want to learn data science, but starting always you should start from basic. So in basic what comes, always variable comes first, then if else, then after that you can navigate from any other concepts. Okay, so easily navigate from one concept to other concept, one library to other concept. So here I am taking x is equals to 10, y is equals to 5. I am giving two statements. If this condition is true, then print this, else otherwise print this. Okay, if x is less than 5, then print x is less than and if this is not true, then y is less than. Here 10 is not less than, then it will print y is less than x. So this is the beauty. Now you can use multiple if else. Okay, you can use multiple if else. Now coming to operators, how we can use operators in our machine learning or data science. So there are so many operators, just like a C++, many operators are there, arithmetic operators are there, comparison operators are there, logical operators are there, assignment operators are there, bitwise operators, conditional operators. Now I am taking example. Here you have to only write x plus y in the place of addition. Then you will get a result of x plus y. Okay, you can write x minus y. You can write x into y, x y, y, x modulus y. Now only one thing I want to explain here, difference between division. Division, when we divide 10 by 2, then we get output 5. And when we use modulus, then I'm using 10 modulus 5. Then I'm getting 10 modulus 5 means 5 times, and remainder is 0. So remainder value I will get, that is 0. Yes, so here example of this operation in data science. So how you can perform? Here I am typing x is equals to arrow key will be there. Okay, arrows will be there. There is no need to type arrow. You have to start from x is equals to 14. Just write x is equals to 14, and it will take x value as a 14. Then y is equals to 5. It will take y is equals to 5. Then x plus y, you can perform x plus y. Simply write x plus y. There is no formality required. You can simply write x plus y. Then you can get output 14 plus 5 is equals to 19. Yes, you can simply type x minus y. There is no formalities. Okay, so you are getting 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. Similarly, you are getting x into y, that is x into y you are getting, and x divided by y, x divided by y, modulus, and into, that is exponent. Double into is there, asterisk is there, that is exponent, x to power y. Okay, and x double y is there, floor division. Okay, floor division value. So there are many operations are there. Apart from this, some comparative operators are there. You can use comparative operators. If x is equals to y, if x is not equals to y, x is greater than y, x is not greater than y. Okay, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. And you can use some other operators also, logical operators, a and d. Here what we will write, x a and d y, x or y, x not y. If you want to check both conditions should be true, then first put if money is equals to 5,000 and day is equals to Sunday. If I have money in my pocket that is equals to 5,000 and day is Sunday, then I will go for movie. Okay, if in both condition only one condition is true, if day is Monday and if money is 5,000, or if money is equals to 5,000 or day is Monday, then I will not go for movie. Okay, so either this condition, this way you can program. You can take example. Here I am taking example. What I am doing, I am taking a variable x and y. In value x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 15. I am typing. Here I am using AND operation. So x is greater than 10 and y is greater than 10. Here both conditions should be true. If yes, this line test will test yes, both x and y are greater than, yes. In my input, x is 12 and y is 15, and both are, 12 is greater than 10 and 15 is also greater than 10. Then it will give me 10 and condition is true. Then it will give me true condition. Then it will execute. This statement you can put inside if x is greater than 10 and y is greater than 10. Then print hello or whatever you want to do. You can take or, if x is greater than 14 or y is greater than 14, any condition should be true, like this. And for not, please not in before this parenthesis, if not x is greater than 10 and x is y is greater than 10, these both conditions should be false, because I am writing not, so it will give me false. So this is the beauty of programming language. Apart from this, assignment operators are there. So assignment operators are there. You can use assignment operator. Here assignment operator is equal to is the assignment operator. Okay, so you can use x plus y x is equals to x plus y. Here what we are doing, we are assigning value from right hand side to left hand side, and what we are doing, we are assigning value of x plus y into another variable x. So then x will be overwritten by this new value. Okay, so this is assignment operator. Plus equal to, you can use plus equal to, if you are using plus equal to, okay, plus x plus equal to y, it is the same meaning as x given in the expression. It is a x is equals to x plus y. Similar way, minus is equal to y in the second line, it is a similar to x minus y. Okay, it is a subtracting. Either you can use this shorthand or expression. Okay, both are same. So these are the arithmetic operations. So these operators will make you understand the basic concepts, and you can utilize these concepts in programming, because data science is a very important and it's growing very fast, but basics should be clear. So I think this lecture is clearing your basics, or if you are aware, then it's a revising your basics. Okay, it's a just a revision kind of like session, you can understand, you can think. Okay, so here what I'm doing, x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 7. So I'm writing x plus is equals to y in shorthand, and it is printing x. So what it is doing, x is equals to x plus y. So 12 plus 7, it is doing calculation, it is adding 12 plus 7 and getting output 19. And because I am assigning these two values, x plus y into, I am assigning these two values, x plus y, I am assigning these x plus these values, x plus y into x, so that, so here I am getting value of x, that is 19. Similarly, you can do x minus equal to y is equals to y. So what this will do, this will do y, x is equals to x minus y, and you can subtract x is equals to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 you can perform. Okay, so you can perform value. Okay, here value is 19, we upgraded value, so 19 minus 7, 19 minus 7 is equals to 12. Okay, clear? Because you upgraded x value in earlier statement. Okay, now print x. Here value of x is equals to 12. What we are doing, x is equals to x into y. 12 into 7, 12 into 7 is equals to 84. So here it is printing 84, x value becomes 84. What I am doing, x divide is equals to y. So x is equals to x divided by y. So 84 divided by 7, y value is 7. So it is giving you result 12.0. Okay, now x modulus you can use exponent. Okay, when you use modulus, then what it will do, it will give you a reminder. It will give you a reminder, 12 divided by 7, then it will give you a reminder. Okay, so reminder is 5. 12 goes one time, and I'm getting reminder. When I divide 12 by 7, I get 1 times and reminder 5. So it is printing reminder 5. Okay, reminder print x is equals to 5, because I am assigning the reminder here. Here you can use exponent, x in asterisk is equals to, so it is an exponent of this x square y, x square y. So you are getting this. Okay, square, double square. Okay, now you can use divide. Okay, so these are the statements, you can use these statements. These are very important tools. And so thank you so much for this session. If you have a doubt, then you can ask. So this is all about data science and machine learning. So it's a very growing field, and you can do whatever you want. It's a very interesting and a very important tools. Python and R and SS are there. You can use any tool. You can use many libraries are there. Okay, so if you have a query, then please ask your query.
How does Python handle big data?
Yes, Python, there are many tools. Okay, actually, when we deal with this Python, so in Python, many libraries are there. So by using those libraries, by importing those libraries, we can explore all the data in our program, and we can process. So Python is giving you a platform. You can use others library. It may be data, it may be library from natural language processing, it may be from big data. You can handle huge data sets here. You can import huge data set. What is big data? If you are importing data set and that is containing 10 lakhs of records, that is big data. So you're importing those records in the form of a JSON or CAV or any TXT file. So these are your, if Python is supporting to import these data, because in C++ you may find difficulty to import, but in a simple, by writing a simple line of code, you can import those things. Okay, so it is supporting big data also. So you can just type on Google how we import a file in in Python, then you can get n number of syntax. Import syntax is there. If your data is an image, then you can use image file. Okay, you can also give URL link. Okay, so by this way you can explore, you can extract, you can process. So I think I was able to answer your question, I think.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay, so any other question?
Yeah, sir, one small question. Say if you have a
Yes.
huge Excel file, how to link it
Yes.
with Python?
Yes, ma'am. Please type import. What type of data you have? What
It
is
is
the
in the
extension
Excel
of data?
format.
Yes,
Excel format.
Yes. Please write import Excel files. Okay, then you get a line by line code. Import syntax with the syntax. Okay, right now you can do in your mobile phone or your laptop, import Excel file in Python or in Jupyter. Then you may get an n number of codes, and only single by line typing a simple line of code, single line import and file extension is there. By writing this, you can import your complete file in program. So I want to demonstrate that also by using this. You can
No,
simply
because
write.
I tried it, but it was not working. I tried it
Okay.
several times, but it was giving file error. Cannot import Excel. It was giving. That's what.
Okay, ma'am. So then, ma'am, please write your email in this chat menu. Okay, I will send you code for that. Okay, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Because
Yeah. Thank you.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Any more question?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, this is Shobha Chawla. Sir, you explained various applications, real-time applications of machine learning. Would you please explain me which one is which one is using unsupervised machine learning and which one is reinforcement learning?
Okay, ma'am.
Among these applications.
Okay, so when we talk about in this presentation, you can see house prediction. Okay, house prediction. We are predicting house. So this comes under linear regression. So when we were predicting house prices, so here what we were doing, we were predicting house prices. So it comes under linear regression. So it is a linear regression. When we talk about linear regression, it comes under supervised learning. It comes under supervised learning. One concept is there. If you are providing data, and output is known, and you are making a model, okay, because you know here in price prediction, what we are doing, we know prices, and we are giving to, we are providing 1 BHK price, we are providing 4 BHK price. So we are providing data, and level data is there. So it comes under supervised learning. So linear regression we are providing. In linear regression, what we were doing, we were providing this slide you can see. Yes, this example. I think you are able, yes, this is supervised learning. Here we are providing data, 1 BHK price is there, 1 BHK features is there, location is there, and the 4 BHK is there. So it comes under supervised learning. Okay, now I'm talking about unsupervised clustering. When we are making a clustering and classification, I was taking example of this. So this is unsupervised learning. This is unsupervised learning. Here I am making a cluster. So wherever you are making a cluster, our classification is there. So you are using unsupervised learning. Okay, based on some features you are classifying. So this is a clustering classification. Okay, you are trying. Okay, for example, in a basket you have a banana, you have apple and mango, and based on features you are extracting, you are filtering those things. So this comes under unsupervised. Based on features, no input is there, only based on similarity you are finding the output. So it comes under unsupervised learning. And when we talk about driverless car comes under reinforcement learning. How? Because we mounted 4 camera everywhere on the roof of the car, side, left side, right side, top and front, back side of the car. And if based on camera our algorithm is taking decision, and if it is taking good decision, then we are appreciating, yes, you took a good turn, you have taken a good turn, then we can we can give reward. So it comes under a reinforcement learning. So there are types of machine learnings are there. Okay, those who follow clustering and classification, they comes under unsupervised learning. When there is a reward and punishment penalization kind of thing, then it comes under reinforcement learning. You can take example of driverless car. And if everything is known, we have a data. For example, we want to predict the temperature, what will be the temperature tomorrow. So it comes under supervised. We have a data of yesterday, we have a data of last month, we have a data of last year, we have a data of last 100 years. So based on those data we can predict. So it comes under supervised. Everything is known, so it comes under linear regression. So is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, any more question? So Raghu sir, okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. You have given a valuable information
Okay.
to all the participants, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Can I ask a question, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sir, still it's not clear to me that why Python is machine independent. I mean, yes, we can run this code on any operating system, but the way we get a .class file in Java, what we get in Python?
Yes.
Do we
just
also
like that.
have the concept of bytecode in Python?
Yes, bytecode it converts internally. It converts. Okay, I am taking example of C++. What in C++ we convert. We run our CPP file and we convert that. Then object file we create, and that object file we are trying to run in machine. Okay, in machine. Then only a single machine we can run in a Windows. Either we can run Windows or we can run that in the Linux. Okay, but in Python it creates a common object code, and that object code is nothing but combination of 0 and 1. It is very similar to Java's bytecode, Java's code that is also in the form of 0 1. But here I explained with the help of example what we are doing. We are converting all the statements. For every statement we have a 0 and 1 code, and that 0 and 1 code is common for all. So Python is machine independent because this 0 and 1 code Python is creating, and this this code is easily understandable. This is known as binary code. Here everything is fixed.
Excuse me, sir. So yes. Where we can find this object file?
Okay. Inside the working, inside folder you cannot see this. Okay, just like a Java. So it's an internal process. You cannot see this file. Yes, you cannot able to see, just like a Java.
Actually, I was taking the concept of Java. That's why I was getting a bit confused.
Yeah.
So physically we cannot access this file.
Yes, physically you cannot see, but it may be available in any encrypted format inside the Python, but user cannot access those files. Okay, user cannot see just like a Java.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So Raghu sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It was a very good session, sir.
Okay.
Participants, please thank you.
Okay,
Tomorrow
sir.
again, the information will be shared in the WhatsApp groups. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.